We're now getting some wind on the west end in Negril, deep west. As you can see, a lot of wind coming in. Right now it's around after 6 or something like that. Good morning, reporting from Grace. Grace still going on, you know. Show you what's going on with the sea this morning. Me and Special looking for fish. So Grace are going down here, no? Grace are going with tea. And they finish fishing at the pool. The water come all the way up here. So I'm not going. Okay, lot of leaves all over, lot of wind. I have a banana tree down. Okay, I was hoping my banana would be full, but it don't look so bad, not sure. Like it can't go on, we have to go cut it down. Use them fry planting banana flitters or something. Or big good bunch of bullfrog banana, yeah. Grace take that one down. I hope it don't mash up the rest of them. Crazy. Well, as you guys know, we lost a banana tree. So we're about to cut this banana right now. Take it inside and share it up with our friends. Alright, the banana is cut and yeah, that is good, and you can take it inside now. Down in the road here. Yeah, we got a lot of wind last night. Yeah, blocking the road. Morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you like, share and subscribe for more videos, and also comment below. Did you survive the Grace tropical storm? Well, then see I did hurricane, but it looked like hurricane. We got a lot of leaves in the yard and a few little trees. So yeah, I'm just doing this vlog so you guys can see how it was in Negril. Not too bad. We didn't get too much damage down here. A few light posts is down and trees and a lot of leaves because we got a lot of breeze. All right, so I'm about to go chop my banana tree that fell down and a grape tree in the yard. So let's go, guys. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.
This is dancehall, man. You have to sing for the girls. You have to big them up. Na 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 na. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody must work. Whoa, work. Everybody must work. Work hard. Cause if you're not working, you gotta be loafing. And if you're not loafing, then brother, you gotta be joking. You is a thing that you should love. Working is a thing that everyone should love. Every person must work. Every person must work. Work hard. Got to have some ambition. Keep your spirit alive. Don't go making excuses. Just get out there and try. Every person must work. Well, work. Every person must work. Work hard. You got to work. 'Cause if you're not working, you gotta be loafing. And if you're not loafing, brother, you gotta be joking. You must work. Well, work. Every person must work. Work hard. Money isn't religion. You won't get it for free. Crime is not the solution. Open your eyes and see. Every person must work. Every person must work.
Alright, so we put the bong on the pool. Now we're letting out the water back into the ocean. Alright, back into the ocean from here. So back into the ocean.
Working is a thing that you should love. Working is a thing that everyone should love. Every person must work. Well, work. Every person must work.
Clear it special, clear the hole.
Every person
No seagrass.
Every person must work.
Grace poop in the pool. Thank you. Big help, big help. Look at this.
Clear the boat, special.
Clear the bong. Thank you. Yes, special. Clear the bong. Yeah. Don't make no don't let it clog up. Move the seagrass, okay? Yes. Good doggy. Hey, you see what? Grace. Poop in the pool. Okay, he's working. Look, he got seagrass. Going back for more. Yes, special, clear it. Oh, all right, the pool done clean. Time to fill it back. Can't wait on Mother Nature. All right, work is done. We're pulling back the pool now. I did a lot. You guys talk and I work. All right. This is how it worked. The same pump, we put it down in this hole. The water comes in from the ocean here. Okay. And then we set it back up here. And let's see how long it takes.
Money isn't religion. You won't get it for free. Crime is not the solution.
Okay guys, the pool is finished filling and it's clean. Just a little baby son will vacuum that out. Whatever, it's a saltwater pool, right? So it's not a big deal. So now you guys see how we fill the pool back. And remember, we're on Airbnb. I want to say thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. And remember to share and like for more videos, okay? Alright, we survived Grace and the 3 days lockdown in Jamaica. Alright, have a wonderful day.